What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to do a review of this Premier Protein Cake Batter Delight ready to drink protein shake. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here I have the Premier Protein Cake Batter Delight ready to drink protein shake. And before I get into the review, I got a little disclaimer. So my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to run out and buy it. It's just me sharing my personal experiences with using this product. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to use supplements, please check with your doctor to make sure you're healthy enough. And please make sure you read all the directions on the label, warnings, ingredients, all that stuff before you use your supplements. And with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. So what was I looking for when I found this? So I actually went in to re-up on my protein shakes and saw this Cake Batter Delight on the shelf. So I decided to go ahead and get it and try it because first of all, it's Cake Batter Delight. And I'm like, yep, it's got to be good. So I wanted to try it. New flavor. What attracted me to this? So it was the flavor that attracted me to it, and also the possibility that I'll give you a review of it. And I know I've reviewed some other ready-to-drink protein shakes, but wanted to decide to go ahead and just review certain flavors because you guys might be interested in those flavors. So why not review them, right? So here we are. How much did I pay for this? So I paid about $7 at the time of filming this video, $7.47 plus tax at Walmart for a 4-pack. I will include a link in the description to where you can go out and buy this on Amazon and have it shipped to your doorstep. Where did I buy it and where can you buy it? Like I just said, I bought it at Walmart, but it's also available on Amazon, and the link will be in the description. So here is a video of me pouring this out into a glass so that you can see what it looks like. And as you can see right there, so you know what to expect if you do pour this out. What are the 3 best qualities I experienced with this product? One is that it tastes good if you like vanilla and want some variety. So there's a lot of vanilla type protein shakes, and so if you're into vanilla, and I actually am, and but you just don't want just vanilla. Maybe cake batter you can definitely tell it's a vanilla based shake, but it does taste like cake batter. You may have to use your imagination just a little bit, but it's good. 30 gram. Number 2 is that it has 30 grams of protein. I like that about the Premier Protein ready to drink shakes. 30 grams of protein fits right in with my goals. Not too much protein and enough to keep my muscle building and tissue repairing things going on as I'm going throughout my day. Number 3, good quality, is that it tastes good in place of milk. And like I said in some other Premier Protein videos, if you've seen those, I like to use these in place of milk in things like Chex cereal, and you can also use it in coffee also. So in place of milk or creamer or something like that, again, and it adds protein to those things. So now that thing becomes one of your protein snacks or your protein based meals and things like that. All right. What are the downsides to this? I actually don't have any downsides to this. I like it. It's a good product, and I can't think of any downsides worthy of mentioning. If you have downsides and you want to put them in comments, feel free to do that for other people who look at this video, and also read the comments. So go ahead, feel free to do that. How did this impact my workout? Well, it's just like any other protein. It's great for muscle building, and so it's not a direct relationship to impacting my workout. Maybe for some of you it will be. You drink it up, and you can feel some energy from having the whey protein kick in, things like that. Maybe that works for you. I don't really feel it. I've been on a protein based diet for so long that I don't really feel any extra energy. But where it does come in handy is that having my protein up for the day, I get a better workout. I know my muscles or have what it needs to repair. And I go in there knowing that my body is in protein synthesis and not muscle breakdown. All right. How do I rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this a 7.5, maybe even an 8. I like it. It's good. It will be in my arsenal. And so cake batter, love it. How can you use this product? if you can use this product to assist in getting your daily protein, which helps helps you keep and build muscle. So that's how you can use it if you choose to use this product. And again, the link will be in the description. And so I would definitely want to ask you, feel free to leave comments on you using this product, or which Premier Protein is your favorite. I'd like to know that too. And you might have one that I haven't tried, and maybe if I can find it, I'll go out and try it and review that too. Follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob on Instagram. Also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, this is B Rob.